I'm going to solve this quadratic equation where it's by factoring, where the leading coefficient is not 1, it's 6. So the first thing I'm going to do to factor this trinomial is find the first magic number. I'm going to multiply the first and last constants, which is negative 12. That's magic number 1. And then I have magic number 2, which is negative 1. So now I'm going to look for two numbers that multiply together to get negative 12, but add to get negative 1. So when I kind of think about what that might be, I end up with negative 4 and positive 3, because negative 4 times 3 is negative 12, and negative 4 plus 3 is negative 1. So I'm going to rewrite the trinomial. I'm not going to change the problem. I'm just going to rewrite it, but I'm going to split up the middle term. And I'm going to write 6x squared minus 4x plus 3x minus 2 equals 0. So I haven't changed the problem at all. I've just rewritten it using these two numbers instead of negative 1x. So now I'm going to group these two, and I'm going to group these two. I have a common factor of 2x, and I'm left with 3x minus 2 here, plus, I don't have any common factors here, so I'm just going to factor out a 1, and I'm left with 3x minus 2 equals 0 still. So here's my like term that I can now factor out. I can pull that out, times 2x plus 1 equals 0. So now I'm factored up. I'm going to split up these factors and set them equal to 0. Three x equals 2, x equals 2/3, and 2x equals negative 1, x equals negative 1/2. So we have two solutions, x equals 2/3, and x equals negative 1/2.